In the 9.0 release of the RapidAuthor products, Author will have an option to create the content in two ways. First option is the default one with the use of our Cortana 3D plugins. In the Publish options, this is the default value to ensure backward compatibility for the existing projects. Second option is the new one. Publications with this option do not require any plugins and are based on WebGL technologies. Author can specify which option to use by going to Tools, Publish Options, Use Browser Plugins. Publications that are created with the Publish option Use Browser Plugins No will allow you to view the published content on any browser that supports WebGL and SMGS. Latest versions of the most popular browsers, such as Internet Explorer, Edge, Firefox, Chrome, and Safari, support these functionalities. Content can be shown only through the HTTP protocol. This is a browser requirement based on security precautions. This means that you will need to place your content on a HTTP server for the end users. Author can use the preview command to preview the publication. This command will launch a local HTTP server, and the port will be chosen automatically. The solution used for viewing non-plugin publications is named Cortana 3D Solo. On default, the Cortana 3D Solo files are placed into the resource folder of each publication. Alternatively, they can be uploaded to a dedicated URL on the web server. You need to specify this location by going to Tools, Publish Options, 3D Viewer URL. Here you need to specify your server path. Cortana 3D Solo files will be cached in the web browser on first load, thus saving place and time on subsequent loads. There is another publishing option that gives you the control over the amount of memory used by Cortana 3D Solo. This memory is pre-allocated. By default, it is 128 megabytes. For complex projects, you may need to increase this value. Internet Explorer currently supports up to 512 megabytes. For other browsers, this amount can be higher, up to 1 gigabyte. Please note that this type of publications will be available only for the standard specification components that come within the new RapidAuthor 9.0 package. Training specification components for rapid learning do not support this type of publications. Customized specification components will require a modification to support this functionality. This can be provided at the extra charge. Also, projects that were created in the previous version of the RapidAuthor tools will need to be republished with the new 9.0 version and correct publishing options to use this functionality. If your project includes some objects from the object gallery, you will need to replace them with the new updated versions coming with the RapidAuthor 9.0. For example, you will need to replace label objects with the callout object. Also, title label and dimensions will also need to be replaced. There are also changes in the 2D content. For the non-plugin publications, all CGM images will be converted to SVG, which is natively supported by all modern browsers. New type of publications have several restrictions. They are listed in the documentation that is available in knowledge base on the company's website.